I will show you how to make this professional resume in Google Docs less than 5 minutes. Why Google Docs? Because it's easy to access, free to use, easy to share, download, and edit. Plus, you can send the link. First, you need to log in your Gmail account, then click in here, click Drive option here. Then, it will move to this kind of interface. Click New option here, move to Google Docs, click here, again, click Blank Document, as I will show you how to make that resume from the scratch. Now this is the page. We will make resume here, so we need to adjust the page size. To do that, go to File option here, click. Go to Page, Setup option here and click. Go to Paper Size option, select A4 option here, then select Margins. I am customizing margin size to 0.5 as I like to make more compact resume. You can choose margin size according to your preference. Now add name, make it big. I am selecting 36 size, make it bold. You can give some twist if you want. You can change the color in here. I am selecting custom color. I am selecting this color. You can change the position in here. I am selecting middle position. Plus, you should change the file name with your name. Now add necessary contact information like address, number, email, LinkedIn, portfolio website, or link, depend on your job industry. You can underline like I am doing it. Plus, you can bold the option if you prefer. Now press enter, adjust the writing position here. Add summary or about or background or job title according to your preference. Add years of experience you have. Plus, use some main keywords or highlighting section in here, or combining both. Make the highlighting section font size 15, make it bold, and change the color. Plus, you can add extra space in here. Add border like I am doing it. Go to Format, go to Paragraph Style, select Borders and Shadings. You can change the color plus border size according to your preference. Add Skill section. List your most relevant and valuable skills for the target job. You can segment your skill, like this, or like hard skill or technical skill, software or language skills, or soft skills, etc. Write Job Experience section, mentioning following things. Number 1, company name. Number 2, job title. Number 3, location. Number 4, duration. Number 5, job description. Job type. You can add that if you want, like full-time or part-time. Write job description following 3 criteria. Number 1, what you do. Number 2, how you do. Number 3, what is the impact? Use action verb. Include keywords related to job description, combining technical skill, hard skill, and soft skill. Describe the method using technical or official term, and highlight your achievement or key contributions, how company benefited by you, or result you bring into company using result-oriented metrics. You can add project work with project description. You can add hyperlink to project name to check the validity if applicable. You can add training section too, depend on your circumstances and job industry. Add education section, mentioning important things like degree name, university name, location, graduation year or passing year, CGPA if you want. For fresher, you should consider it. You can skip it if you have low CGPA and a lot of experience. You can add coursework if related to your job industry. You can add certification to award section too. If you are curious to know how to add these bullet point symbol, you can add these bullet symbol in here easily. You can add language, interest, or hobbies. Volunteer work depend on your experience and circumstances. You can easily download this file as Microsoft Word or PDF file. When you send it as PDF file. Plus, you can send the resume link if you want. Write resume in professional way and precise on point and relevant to job industry. Take time. You can check our LinkedIn page and subscribe our YouTube channel to get more videos regarding resume. Thank you for watching this video.